Hello everyone, this is our machine Sankon brand. We are manufacturing fabric spreading machine in Turkey, and we have a smart technology. Our technology is different from other companies. As you can see here, active numbers, active value. This numbers is changing according to tension of the fabric, and the machine understands with the sensors, and these numbers always change, and according to tension it makes it straight, our machine. And this is a time saving, as you can see here. And this is our smart technology. Now in other machine have this option.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.